Hello, it's Andrew again, and welcome to another little game to help you practice some place value math skills at home. This one's called Spin to Win, and all you need is a game board that you can draw out or download from our website, and a random number generator, which could be a spinner. That's what I'm using today. So a spinner and a paper clip. We'll show how that can be used, and a pencil. And I'll be playing this with Imogen, and here's how you play it. Here we are, Imogen versus Dad, Andrew, from the game Spin to Win. So what we're trying to achieve here is the greatest three-digit number. This is Imogen's 3 boxes to create her 3-digit number. This is mine here. And how do we create the 3-digit number? Using this spinner. And the way we generate the digits is with the paper clip and putting a pencil through one part of the paperclip over the center point of the spinner and spin it round. Okay, so there we've got a number 5. It's in the 5 section. Another one. Oh, another 5. So, Imogen, are you going to spin, or would you like me to?
You can.
Okay. You've got a digit 4. Now, where are you going to put your digit 4 in your 3-digit number?
In the middle.
So which place is that?
10s.
Okay, my turn. Oh, I've got a digit 2. I'm going to put that in the 1s place. You're going to spin? Okay, I'll do it for you. Big one. And what have we got? We've got a digit 7.
Put that in the 100s.
Okay, so your 3-digit number is going to be 740 something. Let's see if I can get a good digit. Oh, I've got a digit 0. So I'm certainly not going to put that in the 100s place. And just to finish off then, Imogen, your 1's digit is going to be... What have you got?
4.
Another 4. What's your number?
744.
Let's see if I can beat it with this last spin. What have I got?
9.
A 9. 9 in the 100s. My number, 902. And the winner with the greatest number is me! Hooray! And that's how you play Spin to Win. Now, there are different variations of this. We can have 2-digit numbers, or we can extend this so that there are 4-digit, 5-digit, up to 7-digit numbers at primary school. And we could include decimal points in between as well for children within Key Stage 2. So there you have it, Spin to Win. Enjoy playing that at home. Take care, see you soon.